The purpose of this video is to show how a damaged record can actually be repaired even if there is a piece missing out of the record. And what you'll need is a utility knife, paraffin wax, and a lighter. You put wax paper under the edge of the record to prevent the wax from sticking into any surface underneath the record. And you build up the wax to the point where it goes over the existing grooves of the record. You let it cool until the wax is set. You can cut off any excess wax at this point, and very gently you use the existing record as a guide, and you press the utility knife right against the grooves, flat side down, and then you can shave off the excess wax, and you'll end up with a glossy surface of wax which the needle will coast right through. Play the record at 78 RPM and put the needle on and gently guide it through to make sure it doesn't skip forward or backward, and that will actually create faint grooves in the wax. I do a high-res recording technique which involves recording the record at 33 1/3, and once the grooves have been kind of embossed with one turntable, I have two turntables here, and then the needle will coast right through the wax, and you can actually record the entire record with no jumps, even if there's a piece missing.